For many years, the NAMS L-block, pin retainer, and shimming configurations have served the automotive industry well and lowered costs by commonization. These work especially well in larger assemblies like body sides, underbodies, and frames. But what about all the guys who make seat frames, closures, or insert small baffles and other types of things into the new series of rails and cars? E&E has come up with an XYZ shimming configuration called the compact and a compact shot pin to match. You can see that the unit overall is 100 millimeters shorter. I can bring the pins within 20 millimeters of the center line of the shot pin with the compact. The closest I can get with the NAMS is 60 mils. I can use multiple sides of this because it's a 3-hole pattern and there's no lefts and rights. So I can have 2 pins that are literally only 40 mils apart, or if I stick another pin over here, I can put it even closer than that. So in tight assemblies where pins and parts are small, this opens a whole new era of accessibility for pins. Standard pins range from 3 to 16 mils, and the adjustments of different heights this way and distances out are done through this spacer block. So if you look closely at the compact, you have X, Y, and underneath the flange of the pin is your Z shimming. So every assembly has a complete XYZ shimming capacity. A standard NAMS only has XY capacity, unless you want to add another block, and then it gets much, much larger. Let's go to the scale. Compact configuration weighs 6 pounds. The NAMS configuration, 9 pounds. So 3 pounds per unit is pretty significant when you're on an end effector or other applications where weight and compactness are important. Now let's look at applications for stationary pins where things are tight and parts are small. In the NAMS configuration, the closest I can get from my mounting holes to my pins is 60 millimeters. In the compact, it's 20. My pins here are available from 3 to 16 millimeters, and XYZ shimming inside the block allows us to direct mount these and access the fasteners from the top. The NAMS configurations, we can only access the fasteners coming through the plate from the bottom, which is a major disadvantage in palletized tooling or small assembly tooling. Let's go to the scale. .78 pounds. 3.64 pounds. Imagine what a difference on a pallet tooling or end effector that 3 pounds per pin is going to make to your CG and your robot acceptance. The compact, like the NAMS, all the components are available individually. Shim packs, the round shims for underneath the pins. Pins are available from 3 to 16 millimeters. And if you need to change your relative height, either on the shot pin or stationary, or your relative position, you can generally do it through this spacer block, modifying that and making it a custom. If you'd like to keep up with all the new innovations at E&E, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.